Hi David and Joanna, congratulations and may you have a blissful marriage. And David, remember the 13 commandments must follow, okay? Okay, that's all.
Hello Joanne, David， 祝你们早生贵子，幸幸福福哦。
Hi Joe.
Hi Joanna.
You have come a long way, so cherish the moment that you guys have together and hope you have kids soon.
Okay, congratulations. Have a peaceful marriage and like what y'all say, cherish each other. Okay, and be happy for lifetime.
好啦 David and Joanna， 我知道你们是一见钟情 ，cause I drove you to Vegas and after that， 可是呢，现在每天见面了都要有爱情， then 祝你们健健康康、幸幸福福、早生贵子 ，and very important， 虽然我今天是你的 maid of honor，but 你有 baby 了，不要丢给我，我不是你的 maid in Tampines。Bye。
Hi 姐妹 ，Hi David. Small stand over years, and I may not always be close, but I'm always around for you all. And I know you are like our French fry friend, but you are our French fry friends, and my French fry is like always here for you. Okay?
祝你们早生贵子，永结同心。
Hi, congrats and wishing you both a lifetime of marital bliss. David and Joanna, hope you have a very happy marriage together and keep in touch. Thanks.
Hey David and Joanna, congratulations on your wedding. Just wishing you many blessed years ahead. Hi David and Joanna, thanks a lot for inviting me to your wedding. Congratulations and hoping you all have everlasting bliss. Thank you.
Hi, congratulations David and Joanna. You guys have a really fulfilling life together. Alright.
Hi David and Joanna, I'm very happy for both of you. I met you all in Arizona. Of course I met David first but I met Joanna more in Arizona back then. I'm really happy that you all look so happy together. I'm sure there will be tough times ahead. I'm sure you all will overcome it together. So have a very blessed marriage ahead. Alright, take care.
Hey Joanna and Devin, thank you for inviting me to be part of this celebration and this union, very sacred union of you guys. Really happy for you guys, and I can tell that you are truly in love, and I really wish you all the best, real happiness, and lifetime full of good health and love. Davina, I am trusting Joanna with you already, okay? Don't play. The sisters will always look after her, okay? Even though Mel is her, yeah? We are still gonna be very united, okay? Jamie, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so, alright. Anyway, all the best, have a blissful marriage and big baby soon.
Hello Mocha, just sorry I had a bit too much to drink for you. Okay, so for my sake, please take good care of Joanna. Make sure 你们一生一世，生生世世， and then just try to, as a husband, just try to give in to her whenever you have conflicts. And this is something that my dad told me. The woman is always correct. So just give in first, and then talk it out later. Everything will be good. Congrats.
Hey Mocha, I'd like to wish you a very happy marriage with Joanna. Thank you so much for all the guidance that you've given to me as an IP. And we have William here making awesome faces in the background. But I'm just going to keep it short. Best wishes, and hope to see you again in the squadron sometime. Thanks.
Hi Mocha sir, wish you and Joanna all the best and blissful marriage.
Hi, Mocha and Joanna, wish you both a blissful marriage and see you around soon. Congratulations.
Congrats, Mocha and 祝您早生贵子。
Hi Mocha, very happy for you, and we had a lot of good times and more good times to come. And lastly, welcome to the club.
I've known David and Joanna for a good many years, and I was the one who kind of brought them together. And I hope that they can live their lives happily ever after from this moment on. I hope that they can depend on each other, trust each other, as well as never ever take for granted each other. So I give them my best wishes. And David, I'm going to be there at your housewarming. Okay, you're going to invite me.